Hello, hello, good day. The other day, I got the question from somebody that said, that asked like a logical question. It goes like, what do seagull and birds do when it storms, right? What do they do? What do birds do? Look at these motherfucking birds. They're just sitting on a. In my hand is in the way. Oh, you can't see it. Okay. Let us zoom in here. So that is not doing any good. Go. Rain moves back. Okay, that didn't help. This wind is mental. So okay, I can't see shit anymore. But basically, you've got to trust those white dots there. I don't know. You probably can see them. Those are the seagulls on a grass thing when it's storming. They're hiding their asses over there. There we go. And they're sitting there holding tight. That's what the fuck they do. That's for people that are wondering what seagulls do when shit hits the fan in weather-wise land. Here, let's zoom out for the. It's wet. There's wetness. There's spatters. Lightning. There's gonna be some thing over there, maybe. If there's no sound, we know we live in the Matrix, or it's very far away. But anyway, a lot of rain, a lot of wind. You can see how misty it gets with this rain. Oh, is that it? So is that far away? Wait. A lot of water. That's a art reflection. This is a piece of art. It's apparently very good to piece in. Oh, can show him peeing. That is a elevator, I guess, for art. And that is like some art thingy, raised grass. And so that is the reflection of that thing loops around in there to make it double art. And do you see all the people in there? I think there's a bunch of freedom fighters there. Oh my God! But then again, these people are fighting the right. Oh wait, they're dry. Except for that guy. Alright, well, we got a bunch of rain refugees here. Here, see, so there is them birds. So we can stick to the to the topic, to what do birds do. Come on, man, focus. They're sitting on the field there. They sit tight and get wet. I don't know if they look happy. They're not looking for food. They're just sitting there, hanging tight. Let me see. Doesn't fucking matter. There's them as well. Them seagulls and birds sitting on the field, hiding from a storm. That's what they do. So now you know.